Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the way how to make Spotify transition. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, open your Spotify app and now to turn on Spotify transition or crossfade, which is a very nice feature if you don't want any interruption between two songs. Just open your profile by tapping on the profile icon given at top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down a little and here you can see this option crossfade beneath playback option. Now you can set the bar up to 12 seconds or much or more or the way you want. And also you can enable this gapless playback option. And now when you will play the song, there will be no interruption between the songs. So this is how you turn on Spotify transition. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.